So you can see that I'm wearing my latest piece of tramping gear, which is a Macpac Ultra Lite down jacket. This jacket is the Macpac Uber Lite. It weighs about 300 grams. It's got 900 fill down in it. It's got the yellow on the outside, and on the inside it's got this. The Pertex shield is what they use for the outside of it. This one's a 4XL. The jacket's got 2 zip-up pockets. It's also got these 2 pockets on the inside that you could put things into. Zip up the front. There's no collar on this. There's a collar on this one, but no hood. You can get versions with hoods, but they just didn't have one in a 4XL size that would fit me. Yeah, so recommended retail price for these is $217. I got this for $99 in a Macpac sale, and with my discount of 15%. I bought this recently. Macpac had a summer sale on, or rather a winter sale, selling off gear, and so the prices of these are normally like about $220, and with the sale the price was down to $119, and because I'm a member of the Macpac club I get an additional 10 to 15% off, so it actually only cost me $99. It's a lightweight down jacket, but it's actually really warm. I've had one of these in the past, but I got too hefty for it to fit me anymore. It was too, I couldn't do it up across the front. Macpac has just recently started selling some larger sizes, so this is a 4XL. This one fits me quite well. I can zip it up at the front. Yeah, the manufacturers should really sell more big clothing. There's a lot of people out there that don't fit the supposed norm of like super thin, and they still want a down jacket to wear. They still want outdoor clothing, you know, so they can go out and do some walking and that kind of thing. So it's good that Macpac is selling this. I've only worn it a couple of times now, but I really like it. It's really warm, it's really light. You can pack it down into a size about like this, so about the size of a 600ml Coke bottle. Yeah, that's the main reason I have it. You know, for when I go overnight huts, you need some kind of warm top to put on, and I normally use polar fleeces. I've been using those hunting and fishing polar fleeces for years now, but this is just better because you can pack it down into a much smaller size. Yeah. The jacket has elasticated cuffs, and it also has a collar on it to stop your warmth getting out. Yeah, I've worn it on a couple of trips so far. It's really warm. I'm looking forward to the first time I can take it away on an overnighter. I'm thinking that's probably going to be when I go up to the Abel Tasman in about a month's time. Yeah, so that's my Uber Lite Macpac jacket. You're going to see it in videos going forwards from now. I'll be taking it with me on some trips. Yeah, I'll let you know what I think about it in the future on the blog. I'll do a blog post about it and just basically describe it and put some details in and that kind of thing, so just keep an eye out for that. Cheers, I'll see you next time.